Alright guys, so we are going to be installing these brake pads here and these brake discs on the Golf R. So right now we are just getting the wheels off and getting everything ready, and see when we do all that. Yeah. The GoPro ended up dying, so we did the other one. We got the wheel off on the side and we're gonna start. So first we need to take the two screws that are on the back in here. I don't know if you can see them. Now we gotta take off these two screws that are back there. I don't know if the camera can see it back there. Okay, so we got the bottom one off. Now we gotta try and get this top one off here. Need this top one here. Alright, this top one's out. Which one is it, the blue one or the?
Uh-oh, retard alert!
Alright, it's coming up more. I'd say to stop now. Yeah, it's like just about to overflow. Alright. Alright, so this is the rotor that we're going to be putting on. And we're only putting brakes on the rear because the discs and pads on the back were a lot more worn than the ones on the front. They were getting near the end, so you can see here, big lip there. Same with the pads, there's not a lot left on these pads here. Now, this is the hard part, trying to get these two screws back into the back there. So as you can see, these old ones are to new ones. These ones are all old and custy and
some cracks in them.
Yeah, some cracks in the back there. These new ones are nice. They're drilled and slotted. Pick these up before they fly away. I think we already lost a few.
Good. Tight, spring is on.
Yeah. Alright, so we just finished taking this one back off and greasing it, and now getting the screws back in, the back, which is the hardest part.